Good afternoon, friends. So, this is my Pocket 2 camera, DJI Pocket 2, and I did several recording using this camera, and um, and I see this fragmentation. You see, so earlier it was not happening. Means I can record continuously for 2 hours or 3 hours. I can record it. But now it is not happening. Means I'm recording, but later on when I take out the SD card from here and insert in my computer, I see the whole recording is fragmented in the numbers of videos. So and also I see this is in the, like you see here, it's 6.49 minutes. Most of them are 6.49 minutes. 6.49 minutes. And I don't know why it is happening. Because I want to do recording for a long period. It's not, that's why I bought this camera, so it can record continuously. And I was looking on the little bit investigated on the chat, asking the chat GPT, asking why we are the recording is fragmented in 6.5 minutes video, several video. So it's saying that it is not actually stopping. That means my pocket camera, it is not actually stopping. It's splitting my continuous footage into multiple files, each about 6.5 minutes long video, as I have shown earlier. That happens because of the file system and thermal limits, not because the camera cannot record. Means camera can record continuously, but it may be due to the means that happens because of file system and thermal limits. So file system limit, so here we can see micro SD card is FAT32 formatted. Any single file cannot exceed 4 GB. This is the limitation. Okay. At high resolution, that limit comes up in around 6-7 minutes, and I have 6.5 minutes. The videos duration. So the camera automatically start a new file while continuing to record seamlessly. Even if your card is exFAT, which supports larger files, DJI still often split long videos into chunks to ensure compatibility with the older software. Here is written, because I am recording in 4K in 30 fps, and here it is written at 4K 60 fps. The Pocket 2 can record at around 7 Mbps, 12.5 megabyte per second. 4 GB divided by 12.5 megabytes, 320 seconds, about 5.3 minutes. And if I'm slower, at slightly lower bit rates like 4K by 30, which My camera is set on 4K and 30 FP, how to say this, FPS. Hmm. So it reaches 6.5 minutes per file, and it is happening here. Hmm. In this now no gaps. So it was saying that later on I was looking how to solve this issue. So how I can solve? So it's written that format the SD card to exFAT in the Pocket 2, which I have done several times, but still it is splitting my long recording in small clips. Or on computer. In computer also I have done several times, but this alone might not remove splitting. DJI often still segment for safety, and that is happening with me. Means I formatted several times within in the Pocket 2 or in my computer, but still it is segmenting my video, long video. So it is saying that what option I have, merge the clips. I don't want to do that extra work. I bought the camera for long recording, not getting so many files and then I have to use any third party application to merge all these files. Mm. If you are filming for a long time, reduce resolution bitrate 1080p instead of 4K. That I have to do. This one. Only the resolution will be less reduced. That I have not tested, but I have to test it. So after reading all this information, because there are so many information, my conclusion is uh, whatever written in here, my conclusion is that I have to use the third party software to merge all these files. That I don't want to do. Even the one more thing that we somewhere it was written that I have to use the SD card of you see here, card 32 GB or smaller will be formatted at FAT32 FAT32. That is a micro SD standard limits. Uh, because we need XEXFAT. So for that, use 64 GB or longer micro SD card. And my SD card is 124 GB. That is much bigger. And I formatted several times in the Pocket 2 camera. And I hope that that is formatted in exFAT. But still I have same problem. Even the ScanDisk Stream or Samsung, that also I have the SanDisk Stream I'm using. That is also not a problem. Even in exFAT FAT, DJI sometimes still splits files to 4 GB for compatibility. So the 6.5 minute limit may not fully disappear. That is happening with me. It is not completely disappearing. but merging becomes easier because files are not restricted by FAT32 rules. That is happening with me. And another thing I read somewhere, this is happening due to the where it was written. This one, prevent file corruption. Mm, is to prevent file corruption. If the camera or battery falls mid-recording, you only lose the last segment, not the whole shoot. And this is the due to this, the camera is fragmenting my whole shoot. So manage thermal and processing limit. This is also happening. The Pocket 2 small body can get hot during long 4K recording session. Yeah, this happens sometime. Most of the time, not I can say sometime. Even with AXFAT, DJI sets a hard 4K 4 GB file per file limit in film firmware. At 4K 30 fps, that's about 6.5 minutes. At 1080p, it can be longer. So, um, so what I am going to do, because till now I have used 4K 30 fps because it was recommended. But now I going to use this 1080 p 25 fps. You will get 20 plus minute per file instead of 6.5. That I am going to apply, and let's see. So uh, so check the description. If I am successful, I will write in the description, and from there you can know whether this experiment work with the camera or not. Okay, so this is the information. Maybe now you understand uh, why the file you use the camera, this camera DJI Pocket 2, but and you record for 2-3 hours, but later on you'll see the files are whole suit is fragmented uh, in many videos, clips of 6.5 minutes. So okay, thank you. If you have any solution, you can write in the comment section. Let's see if we can find the solution of this problem. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.